Namaskaram for people coming in. Namaskaram Sneakfire 7. Glad to see you again. Fantastic. Namaskaram and hello Rathor. Namaskaram Patnaik ji. Welcome all of you for the 16th guided meditation session. Namaskaram Priyanka Daryani. Glad to see you again. Let's wait for a couple of minutes for everyone to jump in. There are many people who might be coming here for the first time. And yes, Namaskaram Priya Teen Rose. Hi, I hope you are coming again after a while actually. Great. Namaskaram Akanksha Arunima. Welcome. Glad to see a lot of people coming every night, taking this opportunity to spend time with themselves. Namaskaram Riya 248, welcome back again. Namaskaram Jyoti Singh 024, welcome back again. I'm so happy to see all of you coming tonight. Namaskaram Shiv, how are you? How is everyone doing? Yes, Priya. Thank you. Great. So, I'll give you a brief and a quick introduction. There are many people who might be coming here for the first time. It might be the first session for them. Well, this session is all about spending time with yourself. This is just guiding through, closing your eyes for 10 or 12 minutes and just exploring yourself. Nothing more than that. Meditation is a quite strong word. Many times people get scared of that whether they will be able to do meditation or not. सब meditation के बारे में सुन के डर जाते हैं. It's not hard, it's not simple, but it's a skill. With practice, it gets better. Well, let me welcome new people. Ruhail Alam, fantastic to see you again. Hey Sonali Roy, Namaskaram. So tonight we will be starting with the guided session. I will be guiding you through the process. And we upload all of these replays on weekendyogi.com. You can sign up there or you can even subscribe to our YouTube channel, Weekend Yogi, The Weekend Yogi. So, but it's fantastic if you do it live. That will be the best. You will feel the energy, you will connect with everyone, and this is a shared pool. Everyone is coming and just closing their eyes and sharing across. Great. Fantastic. Great. So we'll get started. First of all, I would like to know people who are coming here for the first time or the second time or coming here for the 16th time. Today is our 16th session. Just comment down quickly. Which session is this for you? Is this your first, second or the 16th? I'll be glad to see. Namaskaram Dhruv Sharma. Welcome. Great, fantastic. Sammy Samuel coming for the third time. Nimish, fantastic, coming here for the third time. Priya Teen Rose coming for the second time. Rahul Swati for the first time. Fantastic. Seventh session. Great, Shiv. Priyanka Daryani coming here for the fifth time. Fantastic. Fantastic energy. So, great. Now I'll start speaking about the instructions. People who are coming here for the first time, here are the instructions. The instructions are, you have to be in a sitting position or you can even lay down too. That's totally fine. But you have to make sure if you are sitting, your spine is comfortably erect. It's not slouchy or it's not too tight. It has to be comfortably erect. Keep your neck and head straight. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Take off your spectacles. If you are wearing spectacles or glasses, keep them off. It will be better to focus without spectacles. Your palms should be facing towards the sky and should be placed on your lap or on your thighs. You can sit in a cross-legged position, जैसे चौकड़ी मार के बैठते हैं, and you can even lay down. If you are laying down, your palms should be beside your body, facing upwards. And also make sure you are not in a very disturbed zone of your house, and make sure there are not a lot of sounds and noises around you. So if the instructions are fine, I will wait for a couple of seconds for everyone to adjust themselves, and I'll take few doubts, quick doubts. If anyone has any doubt regarding the position, posture, or how to start, how to sit, don't worry about the instructions. I'll be guiding you through the process. You just have to follow my voice. You don't even have to look on the Instagram. You just have to connect with my voice. First, I'll take some quick doubts if there are any. If there are not any doubts, if you are ready for the meditation, give me a thumbs up. If you are already all set, you are in a perfect position as per you, you are comfortably seated or lay down, just give me a thumbs up or put me a question. We will do accordingly. Great. Priya is ready. Riya is ready. Priyanka is ready. Nimish, as always, ready and go. Little bit art also ready. Fantastic. Akanksha, Harunima, as always. Shiv, as excited. Fantastic. Yoga for Positivity, Sneak Fire 7, Sammy Samuels. Fantastic. Now we have enough people to get started. Now we will start. Before starting, make yourself comfortable, adjust yourself. I will put off the comment section and just follow my voice and just connect with my voice. You don't have to look at the Instagram or your mobile screen. Keep yourself straight and steady at your own time, in your own pace. Lower your gaze. Close your eyes and lower your gaze. Find yourself comfortable and connect. Bring your attention to my voice. I will take you on a journey tonight. When we close our eyes, the journey is going to be a self-reflection. Bring your awareness to the surroundings, to the noise of fan, to the noise of your AC or anything. Whatever is there, just bring your attention and slowly, gently drive your awareness on my voice. Breathe in calm, balance, ease, peace, and stillness. We will take a few deep breaths continuously this time, and inhale through your mouth and exhale through your mouth. I will repeat. Take 5 to 6 consequent simultaneous breaths. Breathe in through your mouth and breathe out through your mouth as well. And relax. After you have taken 6-7 continuous breath, relax. Find and notice your body relaxing. Heartbeat is little pumped up and it's settling down with my voice. Breathe in calm, balance, ease, peace, and stillness. Bringing your attention to your right shoulder. Bring your attention to the right shoulder. Relax it. Relax your right arm and your palm should be loose and relaxed. Now bring your attention to the left shoulder and the left arm. Loose, relaxed. See and notice your upper body is free from any stiffness and it's feeling light. Just melt yourself and notice this feeling. Bring your awareness to natural breathing pattern. Breathe in calm, balance, ease, peace. Stay with my voice. Now I want you to recall today morning. Recall the very first thing that you do in the morning. As soon as you open up your eyes on the bed, what do you do? Recall that moment. Do you pick up your mobile phone, or do you look out of the window, or do you grab a glass of water? Whatever you do, just recall it, remember it. What was the first thing you did in morning today? Now, I want you to replace your first thing in the morning with a smile. As soon as you wake up from the sleep, as soon as you open up your eyes, you should smile. Visualize smiling on the bed when you wake up in the morning. Say it to yourself as soon as you wake up. Say it to yourself, visualize it. I am grateful to the universe for making me see this day. Say it to yourself first thing in the morning. I am grateful to the universe See how beautiful, how positive, how energetic your day is. You are just grateful to everything. Now I want you to remember what is the last thing you do before sleeping. Before you close your eyes on the bed, what do you do? Recall that moment. Recall that moment which you do the last thing of the day before sleeping. What is that thing? I want you to say to yourself, I am replacing the last thing of the night with a positive habit, with a positive activity. Visualize what is the last thing you want to do tonight. You may be grateful to everyone for the whole day. You may want to be smiling on what you did. You may want to celebrate your failures, your success. Visualize what is the last thing you want to do before sleeping tonight. Say it to yourself. I am doing it every night. I am doing it every night. Say to yourself, I am going to do it every morning. Whatever positive thing, habit you want to do, just observe and notice. How are you feeling right now? How's your day going? And how you want tomorrow to happen? With these two small changes, just two small changes. Slowly Gently bring your awareness to my voice. Calm, balance, ease, peace. Take your own time, take your own time. Open up your eyes. Open your eyes. Slowly and gently, taking your own time. Open up your eyes. Hello everyone, Namaskaram. Welcome back. You had done 13 minutes of spending time with yourself. Your eyes were closed for more than 13 minutes. Can you believe? Let me know in the comment section how did you feel, or show me some love. How was the session for you? What are you feeling right now? What are your thoughts, emotion? Put them up in the comment section. Let everyone see it. Or show me some love on Instagram. Let this energy be spreading across everyone. Great, fantastic. Put down in the comment section. All of you have done fantastic tonight. Just fantastic. Great. Nisha Dang. Great. Priya Tinrose, feeling good. Great guys. I would love to see your comments. How did you feel? Thank you, Nimish. Yes, Priyanka Daryani. Thank you very much for putting this up. This restlessness shows that we have to spend more time with ourselves. We have to keep on spending more time with ourselves. This is the practice. For the whole last 20 years, 15 years, 25 years, whatever age our is, we have just learned how to be distracted. So, to be not distracted, to be not restless is a skill that you need to learn. And you will learn. Spend time with yourself every night, every day, whenever you get it. You guys had done fantastic. I want you to say thank you to yourself in the comment section. Don't say thank you to me. Say thank you to yourself. You have taken this opportunity to spend time with yourself. Isn't it great? Who does that? You are doing it for yourself. Put a thumbs up, put a thank you for yourself in the comment section. And after this, I have 2 announcements to make. First one is, make sure you drink some water after this session. Second thing is, all of the sessions are uploaded on weekendyogi.com. Make sure you sign up there, because this will be exclusively available for you people, whosoever has signed up. And third thing is, we have started yoga classes. Whosoever is interested, we have done per session and there are different packages. Just DM me or message me. I will give you the details. We have trained teachers. They will guide you through the yoga sessions. And one more announcement is, make sure you take care of yourself. And do not forget to come every night for this. Tomorrow also we are going to meet at the same time around 10 p.m. and subscribe to YouTube channel. There I play soothing music, that which you are hearing right now. I play it on live. That's totally free. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and sign up on weekendyogi.com. You will stay ahead. You will always be notified of whatever is happening on the Weekend Yogi. The Weekend Yogi is all about bringing back the lost awareness, nothing else. Great, I'll take on some comments. Now in this section, I'll take some questions from your side. Any questions, I'll address to them and I'll reply to the comments now. Fantastic, we have Akanksha, Priyanka Daryani, Shiv, Nimish, Little Bit Art, all saying thank you. Know thyself, yes, you did it superbly. Nijadang, perfect. Priya, great. Fantastic. I know there is a lag between what I'm speaking and how you are interacting, but still put up your comments. Now, if someone has any question, I'll address to them, and those who are busy right now, maybe you can join later tonight. Tomorrow night, sorry. Yes, Shiv, there was some disturbance. I wouldn't say that's a disturbance, but yeah, that was a simulation for you actually, to be very honest. Great. It seems a lot of questions are okay and solved for many people. I think it's time to close down this session. Great. Yes, Priyanka Daryani. Okay. So you are saying you get tired of sitting in the same position for the whole session. Yes. Well, there are certain meditations wherein you have to do some activity as well, but again, it's all about stillness. How still you are with your body, you will eventually be still with your mind and your thoughts. So it's a practice, and you won't believe meditation lasts long for more than an hour, 2 hours, when you have to just keep still and sitting in a same position. Yes, you can combine it with yoga, and after that, if you do dhyan or this spending time with yourself as meditation, this will do wonders to you. Okay, Gunjan Bajaj is asking how to do central split pose. Well, for Gunjan, for that I would like you to message me in the DM box. I will connect you with one of my trained yoga professional. I can't give you, and I can demonstrate that split pose as of now. And great, Nisha, meditating and focusing is quite difficult. Yes, I know it's difficult, because that's what I told. It's a skill, it's a practice. You have to keep on doing it. Eventually you will be able to get better at it, right? But simple, just start sitting and start spending time with yourself. Let your body, let your mind, let your psychology adapt these changes. Eventually you will find that focusing has got little bit better. And after 1 month I am going to do one course wherein I am supposedly just talking about 5 techniques that I have done for myself in my life, where you can improve your focus, beat your stress, and improve your awareness. I will do the announcement for the same, but within 1 month I am going to do. Just stay tuned. Okay, Shiv is asking, this is for focus on meditation. Like, I didn't get it. You are asking focus or meditation, or focus on meditation? Great, Divya. Fantastic to learn that. It's a routine for you. Thank you. Know thyself. Bye bye. Take care, please. I'm so sorry. Know thyself. Where can you get the music? Yes. So the music belongs to Sounds of Isha. Sounds of Isha is a YouTube channel. You can find it. It's a Isha Foundation YouTube channel. They have all such beautiful, lovely, soothing songs. Sounds of Isha. Okay, I think we are good now. I hope we will close this session now. And namaskaram everyone. Good night. See you for the next time.